I think Daily Kirkwood would it sound that Rossi just crashed. Huge crash. I'm watching the onboard. Unbelievable. Oh boy. That's Rossi. That's Alexander Rossi. Dennis Hauer is involved as well. I was just looking up at our matrix of onboard cameras and I believe in there, Grosjean. Sorry, it's Grosjean, not Hugger. Small. Fire at the back of Grosjean's car just underneath that rear left tire. That is the man who starts second for the Indy 500. And we had been so fortunate in our week of practice to run without incident. Rossi losing it midway through to up high, left side award trying to avoid it. Gets on the brakes, lifts off and just spins in the avoidance. These cars are so sensitive to the pitch. A big movement, a big adjustment on the pedals mid-C corner can have that exact effect. And that is a huge hit from Alexander. Rossi to get hit by power gearbox. First going backwards. And then same for Grosjean. You see he spun all by himself earlier in the avoidance as everybody checks up. You make those adjustments in the cockpit is so tough. Let's listen. And at those speeds, it's over in a moment. Wrong place, wrong time for Paddy was already so loose. That was an enormous shot. Such a big hit. This second one here where PTO gets into the side of them too. They're both massive impacts. And all the crash structure on the left part of Nasngularan, the car has already been used up and absorbed the impact from the wall initially. So that definitely would have been a jarring second hit for Rossi. But it was a subtle loose moment. Like you say, he was kind of loose in the middle and then just snapped very quickly. I'm surprised that he would have stayed out. We show 24 laps on Rossi's tires. So, he's about 6 laps from when you would normally be pitting. And man, that thing was hanging on by a thread. And good heads-up move from Lunard there. On board with Rossi. Oh man, that's horrible. It's a terrible feeling that moment. When it breaks and you know as a driver there is absolutely nothing left for you to do. But hang on. That's where everything. Feeling pretty chill at 220. Feels like, oh my goodness, I'm going. 220, right? 220. Becomes very real in that moment. Yeah, you've got, 12.